Hi, I'm Mallory Varner with GSG, and I'm here with
Mark Sudonik, also with GSG.
And we're at the GPX Irving show, and one thing that is all the rage right now is direct to film. We get asked about it constantly.
Yep.
We have several suppliers to choose from in all ranges, from entry to wider format, more production mode. So
Correct.
One that is very popular right now, and I get asked a lot, is about this M&R Quattro. So tell me a little bit about it.
This is the standout in the DTF world. The M&R Quattro is going to be high quality, commercial, industrial grade DTF printer. It's capable of printing from 100 to 120 full-size images per hour. The consistency is unmatched. The detail, the quality that it holds, and it's backed by M&R, who's globally the largest manufacturer of screen print equipment. So you know what you're getting from them is going to be backed by the best in the industry.
Everyone loves the blue, right?
Absolutely.
All right, so if y'all want to come and find out more about the M&R Quattro, you can come see us in booth 301,
Yep.
or you know what, give your local sales rep a call or go to gogsg.com, and we would love to tell you more about the M&R Quattro. Thanks for watching.